friends, it's Miss Rachel, and today we're doing the Storytime Zoom Story Room craft for Thursday, December 10th. We are going to need the rest of our craft kits for this week, colors, scissors, and glue. And we're going to take out all the rest of our elements, so we should have 3 or 4 green triangles, a star sticker, some gemstones, some other stickers, and if you have your glitter glue left over, 4 green triangles, and if you have your glitter glue left over from Tuesday's craft, you can use that for this as well. So I would like to start by building my tree, and I'm going to go ahead and use my glue stick to attach the stem first. The stem is the little brown piece of paper. And we'll stick that on the bottom of the biggest triangle. Next up, we're going to flip over the medium triangle and glue that just a little bit taller up on the large triangle. And then we've got one that's a little bit smaller. We're going to do the same thing. A little bit of glue right in the middle. Scoot it up, up, up towards the tippy top of the tree. We're going to make a nice tall pointy tree today. And then finally with our itty bitty triangle, we'll do the same thing. A little bit of glue in the middle and attach him to the tippy top. Now this is where the fun begins. You can decorate your tree however you'd like. You can use the gemstones and stickers and your star sticker as the finishing touch right up here at the top. You can use the glitter glue to be garlands, and you can use your colors to create and draw as well. I'm just going to use these supplies today and set aside my colors. But let's see, I think I'm going to start with my ornament stickers and put some of these just all over the tree. Now everybody's stickers are going to be a little bit different, and that is a-okay. I like these nice big round ornaments. I'm going to put them all over my tree that we've created. And we've got plenty of stickers on each sheet, so if one of them doesn't want to come up, that's okay. You can kind of skip on to the next one. We are just having fun today and feeling festive, and so there's no need to stress or worry about what your tree is going to look like, just so long as you do your best and have fun, right? There we go. Got to put maybe 1 or 2 more ornaments on. And then I'll switch to my gemstones, I think. Put one there, and then I think I want this nice big blue one right in the middle. Brilliant! You can leave yours just like this, or you can add your star to the top. The star should be self-adhesive, so you should be able to just peel the backing right off and stick it on, and be careful not to stick it to your table too much. And then we can do these little gems. These can be like the lights. I'm going to start by using these itty bitty ones. Please be careful, grown-ups who are watching this, with your kiddos who are playing with these little rhinestones, because they do have very small parts that could be swallowed and they're not meant to be ingested. So I'm putting these little orange lights all over my tree. How festive that is looking. Perfect for the holidays. I think I'm going to do one more. Beautiful. You can set aside the rest of your rhinestones for later, or you can add them all to your tree. It's totally up to you. And I'm going to use some of that leftover glitter glue from Tuesday's craft to put some dots of glittery, gluey goodness to make like a garland that's going to go on this tree, to make it extra snazzy. And once it's all glitter glued up, all you need to do is set it aside to dry and then decide where you are going to display your beautiful evergreen tree. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for crafting along with me. I hope you enjoyed and had a really fun time making your beautiful, shiny, glittery festive tree. And I hope to see you all next time. Have a great day.